Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to this video. I'm Ryan and today we are going to learn about an effect called echo, which is really useful for your videos when you're going to make something like dizziness or your logo motions. That is really make it beautiful. So first of all, let's make a new composition. There are some ways. For example, click on here, or yeah, there are some ways. So okay, whatever, and let's make a new text, and I'm gonna just write one letter and make it bigger, just holding the shift button on keyboard, and you can make it bigger. So I'm gonna put it here, and just right click on here and on the create shape from text. Okay, so now you got an outline here, the outlines, and we don't need our text, so I'm gonna delete it. Press the delete button on the keyboard, and we just need this Z outline. So on the fill here, you can see, just hold Alt and click on fill until you see this shape here. Okay, so I'm gonna change some part of it, some points. So just here in content, Z here, you can see the pass. So turn it on, and maybe after 1 second here, I want to change this to change their position to here, and change this to here. Okay, I'm not gonna focus on it. And so let's see what do we got here. So it was what happened in 1 second. So just here in the transform, in position, turn this on, and in 1 second change the position to at the bottom of the page. Okay, and let's see what's happened here. Okay, it was what happened in this 1 second, and let's go for that effect. Okay, and the outline, right click on it, and the effect time, you can see echo. Or there's some other way, like here on the effect, if you just select it and the effect time, you can also see echo. Or another easy way, here in the effect, you can just search it if you lost it, echo, and drag and drop it here. So I'm gonna do it, and you can see there is another panel here like echo. So echo time, you can see here, you can see what's happening in a way. So maybe it could be enough for this. And number of echoes, you can see how many echo happens here. So let's change them to maybe 5. Yeah, 5 could be okay. The starting intensity, you can change it until you find your best. And then on decay, also the same, maybe. Put it down. Yeah, could be okay. And echo operator is completely based on what you like. I want to put it in compositing back. You can check all of them. And let's see what do we got here. So here is what happened. Okay, it could be really beautiful for logo motions. You can just check it and see how much is beautiful. So yeah, here is another user for it. If you may want to put it on a video. Okay, let's make a new composition for the video here, and drag and drop echo on the video, and just change the numbers here to maybe 1.2. in number of echoes, maybe again the same 5, and the starting intensity should be reduced to maybe be natural, and decay also should be increased. Yeah, could be better. So again, here if you want to change it, you're completely free to do that. And yeah, let's see what's happening. It's really beautiful for maybe someone who's busy and your camera should be something like this. It's really beautiful and make your work so beautiful. So thank you for watching this video. If you want to tell me something, just leave a comment in the comment section below. If you like this video, and especially if you learned something new, I'd really appreciate it if you hit that like button. And if you like content like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I'll be glad. And if you subscribe, make sure to hit that bell next to the subscribe button to be notified about content like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.